Hello students, today in this video lecture we shall learn to solve problems on formation of partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary functions. Let us see the first problem. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function from the relation z is equal to f of x plus ay plus g of x minus ay. Here f and g are arbitrary functions. To eliminate arbitrary functions f and g, we differentiate the given relation partially with respect to x and y. But here, since there are two arbitrary functions f and g, we require second order partial derivatives also. Now, we take the given relation as equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we write dou z by dou x equal to f dash of x plus ay plus g dash of x minus ay. Remember, when we differentiate partially with respect to x, y term is treated as constant. So, partial derivative of y term will be 0. Now, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we write dou z by dou y equal to, here in the given relation, we have f of x plus ay. Partial derivative of f of x plus ay with respect to y will be f dash of x plus ay into derivative of ay with respect to y, that will be a. So, here it becomes a into f dash of x plus ay. And partial derivative of g of x minus ay with respect to y will be g dash of x minus ay into derivative of minus ay with respect to y, that will be minus a. So, it becomes minus a into g dash of x minus ay. Take it as equation number 3. Now, we will find second order partial derivatives. Differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x, we obtain second order partial derivative of z with respect to x, that is dou square z by dou x square equal to f double dash of x plus ay plus g double dash of x minus ay. Take it as equation number 4. Similarly, differentiating equation 3 partially with respect to y, we obtain second order partial derivative of z with respect to y, that is dou square z by dou y square equal to a square into f double dash of x plus ay plus a square into g double dash of x minus ay. Now here we can observe a square is common. So we write it as a square into f double dash of x plus ay plus g double dash of x minus ay. Take it as equation number 5. Now to eliminate arbitrary functions from the given relation, here we take equation 4 and 5. From equation 4 and 5, we can eliminate f double dash and g double dash. To eliminate f double dash and g double dash from equation 4 and 5, we can use equation 4 in equation 5. So, using equation 4 in equation 5, we write dou square z by dou y square equal to a square into, here this term will be dou square z by dou x square. So, we write it as t is equal to a square r. Here t stands for dou square z by dou y square and r is the notation for dou square z by dou x square. Now, let us see the next question. Problem number 2. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function from z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. Here, f is the arbitrary function. We take the given relation as z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y as equation 1. We differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So, partial derivative of equation 1 with respect to x will be dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x is denoted by p, that is equal to, here in the given relation we have y square as the first term in the right hand side. But when we differentiate partially with respect to x, y term is constant. So, derivative of y square is 0. And if we differentiate the second term with respect to x partially, we are getting 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y into derivative of 1 by x, that will be minus 1 by x square. That is, p into x square can be written as minus 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. That is equation number 2. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain dou z by dou y, but dou z by dou y is denoted by q. That is equal to, here we have y square term, but partial derivative of y square with respect to y will be 2y. And derivative of 2 into second term, partial derivative of this with respect to y will be 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y into derivative of log y, that will be 1 by y. So we are getting q minus 2y equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y into 1 by y, or we write it as q minus 2y into y is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. That is equation number 3. Now, to eliminate arbitrary function f from the given relation, we eliminate f dash from equation 2 and equation 3. To eliminate f dash from equation 2 and 3, we divide equation 2 by equation 3. So when we divide equation 2 by equation 3, in the left hand side, we get px square divided by this q minus 2y into y. And in the right hand side, minus 2 times f dash of 1 by x plus log y, that is divided by 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Then f dash term gets cancelled. So we obtain px square divided by q minus 2y into y equal to minus 1, or px square equal to minus y into q minus 2y, or we write it as px square equal to minus qy plus 2y square. That will be px square plus qy equal to 2y square. So this is a required partial differential equation. Let us see the next question. That is question number 3. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function from z is equal to y into f of x plus x into g of y. Here f and g are arbitrary functions. There are two arbitrary functions in the given relation. So to eliminate f and g, we require first order partial derivatives as well as second order partial derivatives. Now we take the given relation as equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we obtain dou z by dou x equal to, here in the right hand side, first term y into f of x, partial derivative of y into f of x is y constant, differentiation of f of x becomes f dash x. And derivative of second term, partial derivative of this with respect to x will be g of y. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we obtain dou z by dou y equal to f of x plus x into g dash of y. Now, we obtain p equal to y into f dash of x plus g of y, that is equation 2. Next, we get q is equal to f of x plus x into g dash of y. I'll take it as equation 3. Now, let us see the second order partial derivatives. First, we will find second order partial derivative of z with respect to x, that is differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x. We obtain dou square z by dou x square equal to, here partial derivative of this with respect to x is y into f double dash. Next term is 0 because it is y term. Partial derivative with respect to x, y term is constant. Now it is r is equal to y into f double dash x, where r is the notation for dou square z by dou x square. We'll take it as equation 4. Now similarly, differentiating equation 2 with respect to y partially, we obtain dou square z by dou x dou y. That will be f dash of x plus g dash of y, or here we use the notation s for dou square z by dou x dou y. That will be f dash x plus g dash y. Take it as equation 5. Now to obtain the second order partial derivative of z with respect to y, we differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to y. That will be dou square z by dou y square equal to x into g double dash y. That is t is equal to x into g double dash y, where t stands for dou square z by dou y square. That is equation number 6. Now, to eliminate the arbitrary functions, here I will take equation 2. So, from equation 2, I will write f dash of x. Y into f dash of x is p minus g of y. Here, f dash of x is p minus g of y divided by y. Similarly, if I take equation 3, using equation 3, I can write x into g dash of y is q minus f of x, or we write it as g dash of y is equal to q minus f of x divided by x. Now, using these two, in equation number 5, we write z is equal to p minus g of y divided by y plus q minus f of x divided by x. On simplifying, we obtain s is equal to x into p minus g of y plus y into q minus f of x divided by xy. That will be s into xy equal to xp plus yq minus x into g of y plus y into f of x. But this is a given relation, so we replace this by z. Now in the next step, you are getting s into xy equal to xp plus yq minus z, or we write it as sxy plus z equal to xp plus yq. So this is a partial differential equation.